When it comes to architectural designers in BTM Layout, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd is a prominent name in the industry. With their expertise and experience, they have established themselves as one of the leading architectural design firms in the area. The team at SCON Design consists of highly skilled and talented architects who have a deep understanding of the field and are dedicated to delivering innovative and functional designs. They have successfully completed numerous projects in BTM Layout and have earned a strong reputation for their exceptional work. As architectural designers, SCON Design offers a wide range of services to cater to the diverse needs of their clients. From residential to commercial projects, they have the expertise to handle any type of architectural design requirement. Whether it is designing a new building or renovating an existing space, their team works closely with clients to understand their vision and bring it to life. They pay attention to every detail and ensure that the final design reflects the client's style and preferences, while also adhering to all safety and regulatory standards. SCON Design is known for their innovative approach to architectural design. They believe in pushing boundaries and exploring new ideas to create unique and inspiring spaces. Their team of architectural designers is constantly updated with the latest trends and technologies in the field, allowing them to incorporate cutting-edge design elements into their projects. This ensures that their designs are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and sustainable. One of the key strengths of SCON Design is their ability to effectively manage projects from start to finish. They understand that every project comes with its own set of challenges and constraints, and they are adept at finding creative solutions to overcome them. When it comes to architectural designers in BTM Layout, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd is a leading name in the industry. With a strong reputation for excellence and innovation, SCON Design has been providing top-notch architectural design services for clients in the area. Their team of experienced architects and designers are known for their expertise and creativity, delivering outstanding designs that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The architectural designers at SCON Design have a deep understanding of the local context and are well-versed in the latest industry trends and technologies. They work closely with clients to understand their specific needs and vision for their projects, ensuring that each design is tailored to meet their requirements. From residential buildings to commercial spaces, SCON Design has successfully completed a wide range of projects, earning the trust and satisfaction of their clients. One of the key strengths of SCON Design is their commitment to quality and attention to detail. They believe that every architectural design should not only be visually appealing but also practical and efficient. The team at SCON Design takes great care in understanding the functionality and usability of each space they design, ensuring that it meets the needs of its users while maintaining a high level of aesthetic appeal. The expertise of SCON Design extends